Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code extension from which you can actually generate Angular files directly. This is the extension Angular file generator, and you don't need to remember all those CLI commands of Angular to generate components, directives, services. So this extension solves all the problems. So you simply search for this Angular file generator by this the fastest way to generate Angular files right in the VS Code. So click on the install button and just install this extension globally, and after that you simply go to a folder and right click, and you will see this option appearing, which is Angular file generator, and this option will be added right in the context menu. So if you right click, you will see Angular file generator, and you see this option generate component file. And here you simply need to confirm in which folder. If you want to create a brand new folder, you can also create this. So I just want to have this in the same folder, so I will say enter, and then you just need to enter the component class name. So I can simply say user, or I can simply say database. This is a name, and you will see instantly the file will be created successfully, database.component.ts, and you will see this is all the boilerplate code is generated for you automatically. Similarly, if you want to create, let's suppose, a module or a service, you can simply select this option, generate service, and you can also create a brand new folder as well. Inside the source folder, I need to create a services folder and just give user service the name, and automatically you will see now it will create a folder here, services, and inside this we have this user service file automatically created for you. So this will simply save a lot of time for you because you don't need to remember those commands. You can install this plugin instead, and then it will give you all the options here. You can also generate directive, enum, guard, interceptor, module, all these things automatically here. If you want to generate, let's suppose, a directive, you simply create another folder of directives and simply name it, and now it will create this folder of directive and create a file here. So it's all in one extension for VS Code, so you can simply install this. So you will see this is actually the module here. So all the boilerplate code will automatically be written, so you don't need to manually create. Rather, you can use this extension, which is Angular file generator. So definitely install it and start using it.